turning around in here. No. I'll let you go first. I hope the camera caught those cows that we came across. Still kind of learning how to do it.
It didn't really want to bog out there in second gear for some reason.
All right. Got a bike out here, but nobody out here. Watch your head, Daniel. So focused on 15 feet in front of me, I'm not enjoying the scenery around me. Super dry. Handled that nice and smooth. Again, I hope the camera is working. It's fun watching these things. That didn't sound too good. There's those hidden stumps again. Hey guys. All of a sudden, a lot of traffic. Look at the size of him. Are those Brahmins? That's a big difference between these tires, the knobbies and the stock.